Hello and welcome to this video on machine learning, a topic that has revolutionized the world of technology in recent years. With the advancements in computing power and data availability, machine learning has emerged as a game changer in various fields, from healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, and beyond. So, in this video, we will dive deep into the world of machine learning, understanding its definition, applications, types, and the future it holds. Definition: let's start with the basics. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves developing algorithms and models that can learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. In simpler terms, it involves training a computer program to make sense of data and take actions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Applications: machine learning has been applied in numerous industries and fields, from fraud detection to speech recognition, self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, medical diagnosis to weather forecasting, and many more. The applications are endless, and as data becomes more abundant, the possibilities for machine learning are limitless. Types: there are three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on labeled data, where the output is known, and the algorithm learns to predict the output for new inputs. Unsupervised learning involves training the algorithm on unlabeled data and letting it discover patterns and relationships on its own. Reinforcement learning involves training the algorithm through trial and error by providing feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Process: the process of developing a machine learning model involves several steps, starting with defining the problem and collecting data, followed by data preparation, model selection, training and testing, and deployment. It is a complex process that requires expertise in statistics, programming, and domain knowledge. Future: the future of machine learning is exciting and promising. With more advancements in technology and data availability, we can expect more sophisticated models, faster processing, and greater accuracy. Machine learning has the potential to transform the way we live and work, and it is up to us to leverage its capabilities responsibly. Conclusion: in conclusion, machine learning is a powerful tool that has already made a significant impact on our lives, and its potential is only growing. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of what machine learning is, its applications, types, and the process involved in developing a model. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.